Hello students, in the continuation of the tools in Photoshop, we are continuing with the type tool. Type tool is used to type some matter on the image. This tool you will find on the toolbar in the form this T. Sometimes it is called as text tool or type tool. If you click on this and drag the mouse over the image, you will get an area to write something. You can select the color, size, bold, italic, underline and other text formatting feature from this toolbar. This is the toolbar which you will find at the top of your window. It will provide you to enter the font style, the bold, size, etc. So it will provide you to write something on the image. After typing, just click enter or to some other part of the image, the type thing will be present on the image. Erase tool. Erase tool is used to erase a part of an image. There are three types of image tools are available. That is erase tool, background erase tool or magic erase tool. Erase tool, it is used to erase the portion of an image by simply dragging your mouse. By simply dragging your mouse, the portion on which your mouse moves, it will be erased from the image. Background erase tool, it is used to erase the background color from a layer of an image. And the magic erase tool, it is used to erase the area of an image that share common color pixel. Suppose if we want to erase the portion which is having the brown area, brown color area, then simply use this magic color tool. It will erase the portion of an image with some common color pixels. So in this way you can erase the content from the image. See here. You will find this image tool. This eraser. You will find the eraser tool from here. It is used to erase the thing. And it is the text tool. It is used to type the things. Now it's time to save the image. To save the image, go to the file menu. In file menu, you will find the option save as. After clicking on the save as, you can save your image. By default, the file of Photoshop saved with an extension .psd. But you can save the image with different options like JPEG, TIF, PNG, GIF. JPG, Joint Photographic Group, TIF, PNG and GIF. These are some of the well-known popular extension of the images in which you can save your image. So after clicking on the save button, you will find the image is saved in your destination where you have specified the path. Now, if we want to exit from the Adobe Photoshop, just click on the file menu. In the file menu, you will find the last option here, exit. After clicking on this exit button, the Adobe Photoshop will close and you will be exit from the Adobe Photoshop. So one thing you remember that file of Photoshop is by default saved with an extension .psd, but you can save your file with other popular extension of the image like JPG, TIF, PNG, GIF. These are some of the extension of image file in which you can save your Photoshop document. Now it's time to discuss the exercise. A small dash, here it is triangle. A small triangle at the lower right corner of a tool indicates that it contains hidden tools. This here. This. Every tool is having this triangular at the corner. It shows that this tool is having some other hidden tools. The dash contains the tool for draw, paint, edit and erase. That is tool panel. Tool panel is having different tools. The extension of Photoshop is PSD. It is PSD. The dash tool is used to type this. It is type tool. The dash tool is used to make freehand selection. That is lasso tool. Lasso tool is used to have a freehand selection. See this? Marquee tool, lasso tool, magic wand tool. These three tools are used for selection. Marquee tool, it is used to select an image with some rectangular or elliptical form. Lasso tool, it is used to select an image with freehand selection. Magic wand tool, it is used to select the portion of an image by finding some color pattern. So these tools are for selection tool. So marquee tool is used for free selection tool. The dash tool is used to make freehand selection, that is lasso tool. Now fill in the blanks. The dash tool is used to move the portion of the image, that is move tool. The properties can be modified using option bar. Dash is used to fill with blended color, that is gradient tool. Brush tool is used to apply smooth and soft brush strokes to the selected. Now name the tool. This is moving tool. This, it is move tool. It is marquee tool. It is type tool. It is lasso tool. It is magic wand, and it is what? To fill the color, this fill bucket. This paint bucket tool. Only these exercises are left. These you can done by yourself very easily after watching and learning all the videos. Thank you.